Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about HSBC error code SPP0925. This error comes when users try to perform an express transfer using the HSBC app or website. The transaction fails and shows this error. According to our research, this error may be caused by temporary glitches, network issues, or problems with the HSBC system itself. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device. Once restarted, open the HSBC app or website and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try switching between the HSBC app and the website. If you are using the app, go to the HSBC website and try the transfer there, or vice versa. If the error still persists, try connecting to a different network. Simply switch to another Wi-Fi or use your mobile hotspot, then reopen the app and check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then probably the issue may be from HSBC's system side, so wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.